Thokozani this simkhulu dablamanzi insizwa kamathebula thokozani bogogo thokozani bomkhulu thokozani nini nonke lenibukela this video. Those of you that do not know me, my name is Robin Malupi Thokozani Ndawo Eshewe Kamangu Sanbonani. Okay, so ngifuna ukuthi sikhulume about ubizo lwakho. Most of you out there are so confused about this calling thing. Most of you out there are confused about this calling thing. Bogogo nabomkhulu. Ntitekile to such an extent yokuthi you go seek for validation from the wrong places. You go seek for validation from the wrong people, from the wrong crowd. Mina I thought ukuthi lelibizo leli lakho, I thought ukuthi uNkulunkulu ubite wena, I thought ukuthi madlozi akho abite wena. Why is it that you are still waiting for a validation from your cousin, from your mother, from your father, from your sister, from your brother, from your relatives? Kahle kahle ubitwe ngibani? Kahle kahle uNkulunkulu ubite bani? Kahle kahle madlozi abite bani? Babite your cousins, babite your mother, babite your, I don't know, your father or something. Kumbe babite wena na. Most of you are in such toxic relationships yokuthi usaba nokuvela, usaba nokuhamba uyogidza uphole, usaba nokuthi uphuma uhambe uye ephehlweni because usamele someone akutshela ukuthi yebo ngiyavuma hamba uyongena ephehlweni. While you know ukuthi uyagula, while you know ukuthi something inside of you is not right, while you know ukuthi you no longer can walk, you know ukuthi you no longer can do the things that you used to do because unobizo, ubiziwe. But you are still waiting for your mother, your father, your, I don't know, your boyfriend, from your pastor to tell you ukuthi yatini. I think this calling thing is actually true. You can go and do whatever. I think actually this calling thing iqiniso. So I think maybe because I cannot help you, you can go and so-called twasa, which I don't even understand. Why are you seeking validation from the wrong places? Some of you are so scared because usemshadweni ngenxa yokuthini ufuna imali, ungene emshadweni ngenxa yemali, ungene emshadweni ngenxa yokuthi you want the Gucci bag, you want the Louis Vuitton, you want the diamond rings, I don't know. So you know ukuthi if you tell your husband, you tell your boyfriend ukuthi that actually I have a calling, I have amadlozi, you know ukuthi that relationship will disappear. You know that relationship will be gone. You know ukuthi your husband will divorce you. You know ukuthi your boyfriend will break things off. So you are there suffering, you are there ngathini, you are there enjoying insults. Ulaphayana bayakuthuka bakutshela ukuthi wena unjenjenje nani, go get a job, go do this, you cannot do this, why don't you buy yourself this, you're always asking me for money. Uhlaleleni gogo, uhlaleleni mkhulu, kwende njani ngawe? Yabona lendo yokuthanza imali, lendo yokuthanza materialistic things, leyo ngiyo lenibulalako kakhulu nini. So you are scared ukuthi bantu bazothini, while you know ukuthi umphefumulo wakho phakathi uyabola uyafa. You know ukuthi umphefumulo wakho phakathi uyakhala. Ufuna kubhodla, ufuna ukukhuluma tindzaba, ufuna kulapha abantu, ufuna kusita abantu, ufuna kupholisa abantu, ufuna kuthandazela abantu. But when you are there because you want materialistic things, you are there because you want the diamond rings, you want the Louis Vuitton, you want the Gucci bags. Kahle kahle kwendakalani eh? Ake ngitshele lana sesibhuti make whatever or whoever you are, is that kuthi it's not gonna be like this forever. Stop following the wrong crowd. Susa pride. Go do what you need to do. Go do what needs to be done. Yekela imali. Abantu bazothini? Bantu bahlala bakhuluma, let me tell you that. Bantu bahlala bakhuluma, and whether it's good or bad, kuyafana, batohlala bakhuluma ngawe. Akusiwonke umuntu lotokuthanda la emhlabeni. If everyone loves you kulo mhlaba lona, something is wrong. Something is wrong about you. So akosukume uhambe uyende lokufanele ukuthi ukuyende. Stop making excuses. Wena namuhla kumbe kusasa angathi kumbe nini, if still awufuni ukuphuma lapho ithi ngikutshele something idloti utokukhipha. Utophuma lapho ukhasa ngemadolo. Utophuma lapho ungana sent egameni lakho just because you don't want to leave because ukuthengela everything le moto le driver ko isegameni lakhe, le ndlela ohlala ku isegameni lakho, egameni lakhe, not yours, meant to say. So be careful. Be careful. Yekela nezinto lenitendako. Umhlaba uyabhubha bogogo nabomkhulu. There are a lot of people that need help. They need wena. They need your story. They need your motivation. They need to hear from you. Badzinga tandla takho. Badzinga kisa nguwe emfuleni. Thokozani this is mkhulu dabla manzi insizwa kamathebula makhosi.